Hello, my name is Archana John and I am your trainer from EFOS. Today we are going to start our topic types of adjectives. But before that, we will take a quick review of previous session. In previous session, we have learnt what are adjectives. Adjectives are the describing words. Okay, and adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Old, green and cheerful are examples of adjectives. I have given so many examples in the previous session, so many like sentences we have made. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun such as person, place, thing or idea. An adjective can tell color, size, shape, taste, odor, texture, sound, number and weather. We have already learned in the previous session. Now we are going to start what are types of adjectives. Okay, so there are 7 types of adjectives. First is qualitative or descriptive adjective, second is quantitative adjective, third is demonstrative adjective, fourth is possessive adjective, fifth is interrogative adjective, sixth is distributive adjective and seventh is compound adjective. Today we will start with qualitative or descriptive adjectives. So what are qualitative or descriptive adjectives? Qualitative is to describe the quality of a person or thing, for example, its size, general description, physical description, age, shape, color, material, origin and purpose. Examples are tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. Okay, these are the examples. How we will use these examples, these words in the sentences? So the sentences are here. The tall girl is my classmate. Tall is the adjective in this sentence. The students achieved excellent results. So excellent is the adjective in the sentence. Now we will go with some more examples. See, qualitative adjective, these are roses, but these are yellow roses. So yellow is describing the color of the roses. So yellow is the adjective in this sentence. She is a woman. This is just an statement. She is a woman, but she is a working woman. So working is the adjective in this sentence. Now the second one. In previous slide we have learnt what is qualitative adjective, but here the next one is quantitative adjectives. So what is quantitative adjective? Quantitative indicate the number or amount of things. Examples: some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, whole, several. Now the examples are: she found many pens under the table. So here many is the quantitative adjective. Okay, there was no milk in the jug. No is the adjective. Quantitative adjective. There are 37 students in this class. How many students? 37. Quantity or number. It describes a number. So this is 37 is the quantitative adjective. Now some more examples. I have got a few friends, so I will never be alone. So a few is the adjective in this sentence. I have got a few pencils. How many pencils? A few pencils. Thodi si pencils, in order to take notes. Okay. So a few is the quantitative adjective. There are so few people in the class, so one can talk to each other. So here so few is the adjective. There are so few pencils in my bag. So few is the adjective, quantitative adjective. A little, thoda sa. I have got a little money. It is enough to buy this book. So how much money you have? A little money. So a little is the quantitative adjective. I have got little water. Little water is the adjective in this sentence. Now, quantitative or qualitative. Quantitative describe numbers, or we can measure. Quantitative can be measured and compared, but qualitative not measured and it is subjective. It describes the noun or pronoun. Now, the third one in types of adjectives are demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative adjectives? To point out nouns. Example: this, these, that, those. Okay, so we'll just take an example. This is my friend Dina. Okay, so this is we are pointing the noun this. Okay, so this is the adjective, demonstrative. Those books belong to her. So those is the adjective because it pointing out the noun. It points out which person, place or thing is meant. It's important that noun will be next to this, that, those and these. For example, used to point out, demonstrative adjective is used to point out someone or something close to the speaker or writer. We have already taken the example this and that. So here this to refers singular, countable or uncountable nouns. For example, this house is mine. This is the adjective in the sentence. Okay. Which adjective? Demonstrative adjective, because it's pointing out the noun. These refers to the plural nouns. This is one singular and these means plural, many. For example, these cupcakes are small. So these is the demonstrative adjective. Okay, plural demonstrative adjective. Now here used to point out in the next this session. See, used to point out someone or something far from the speaker or writer. That refer to singular, countable and uncountable nouns. For example, that doctor is mine. Those refers to plural nouns. So those butterflies look wonderful. Okay, I hope you all understood what quantitative adjective is, what qualitative adjective is, and what is demonstrative adjective is. In the next session we'll start other remaining adjectives. I hope you all understood. Thank you.